In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the Microsoft Teams cache on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Clearing the cache is a really useful troubleshooting step if Teams is acting up. Maybe it's running slowly, not loading messages properly, or the app interface just feels glitchy. The cache is basically a collection of temporary files that Teams stores on your computer to speed things up. Over time, those files can become outdated or corrupted. And that's when problems start. By clearing the cache, you force Teams to rebuild those files from scratch, which often fixes a lot of common issues. Before you start, make sure Microsoft Teams is completely closed. Don't just click the X in the top right corner and assume it's gone. Teams usually keeps running in the background. Go down to your taskbar near the clock, open the system tray, and if you see the Teams icon there, right-click it and choose Quit or Exit. You want to be sure the app is not running at all, because if it is, it can lock some of the files we need to delete. Next, we'll open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard. In the address bar at the top of File Explorer, type or paste a path to your user's app data folder. If you don't see app data, that's normal. It's a hidden folder. You can either enable hidden items from the View menu, or simply type the full path directly and press Enter to jump straight there. Once you're inside the Microsoft Teams folder within App Data, you'll see several subfolders and files. These contain cached data like previous sessions, images, and configuration files. We're going to delete the contents of the cache-related folders, not your actual account or application. Select the cache folders and their contents, then delete them. If Windows says some files are in use, double-check that Teams is fully closed, then try again. After you've cleared those files, the last step is simple. Restart Microsoft Teams. Open it from the Start menu as you normally would. The first launch after clearing the cache might take a bit longer than usual because Teams is rebuilding those temporary files. Once it's open, sign in if prompted, and then test it out. You should notice smoother performance, or see that the issues you were experiencing are now resolved. That's all you need to do to clear the Microsoft Teams cache on Windows 10 and 11.